Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Francis Rich, and in today's video we'll be talking about the grass airdrop. Alright, so as we all know, the season 1 of the grass is over and we are in the season 2 right now. So I know a lot of us actually missed out on the season 1, and you can see that the average person got about 100 to 200 points, and if you convert that to the current price of the grass right now, which is on $3 or so, we should see how much an average person got from the grass airdrop. Alright, so here is the season 2 and another chance is here for you to be part of it. Alright, so without wasting much time, let me walk you through. So first of all, what you need is the link to the grass airdrop. And how can you get the link? You can get the link in the description of this video, or head over to my bio on my YouTube channel, click on my Telegram link or the WhatsApp link, and it will navigate you automatically to my group. And if right there you can find the link to this particular grass airdrop. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So I've spoken about the number one thing we need, and secondly what we need is a Mrs. browser. As you all know, in all of my videos I've been telling you guys that you should download this Mrs. browser and make use of it, because it helps us to be able to download extensions, right, and have our airdrops right in the browser. Okay, so how do we do that now? So guys, after you must have copied the link, what you need to do next is to simply paste the link in the search button. So just paste the link this way, and after you paste the link, you go ahead and click on send. So once you click on send, you should see something like this. Okay, you can just accept, or once you accept all, you should be in this particular place. So what can you do next? What you should do next is to go ahead and fill in this informations right here. So after filling in the informations, you should be good to go. All right, so put in your email, you put in your password, confirm password, and then you should have this referral code automatically here. So you click this box, you agree this, and after clicking on that, what you can do is to accept this captcha right here. Okay, so accept this captcha and then click on register. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. So guys, after you must have filled in all the information right here, what you need to do next is to simply click on register. Okay, so just click on register. Alright, registration successful, as you can see. Alright, so what you can do next is to go and verify your email. So they have sent a verification email which we need to do next. So how can we do that? Simply head over to your email. So just head over to your email this way, and then you should receive a notification. This is the notification right here. Okay, so go ahead and click on the notification, and once you're right here, I want to simply tell you something. If you go ahead and click on this confirm your email right now, you know we are on the Mrs. browser, and if the Mrs. browser is not set as your default browser, it will automatically take you to your Chrome browser. Okay, because your Chrome browser must have been set on your phone as your default browser. So how do we bypass that? Here's how to do it. So instead of clicking on this confirm your email, what we can do is to simply just long press on this particular button and copy the URL. Alright, so after long pressing, click on copy URL. So after copying the URL, go back to your Mrs. browser this way, and once you're on your Mrs. browser, what you need to do now is to open a new tab. Alright, and to open a new tab, you click on this three dots icon right here. Okay, so click on this three dots icon right here to open a new tab. Excuse me. So after opening a new tab, click on new tab and then paste in that URL that we just copied right here. Okay, so go ahead and paste it in here, and then you click on send. Alright, can you see email verification successful? Okay, so we verified our email. So after verifying your email, simply go back to that tab that we opened before, this first tab. Alright, so once you're on this tab, you just need to, what we need to do next now is to go ahead and log in. Okay, so we'll go ahead and log in. So you can see right here that it has showed you that you have successfully logged in. Okay, so after you are in this particular place, you need to connect your grass to your phone so that it can start working for you. So you simply go ahead and click on this connect right here. Alright, so just ignore all this. If you are getting all this, I will show you how to go about it. Alright, so we need something called an extension. Okay, that is why it is showing us this particular thing. And how do we do that? For some of us that are not using the desktop, we want to use our phone, alright, to be mining this. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it. So here's what you can do. Then what you need to do now is to go back to this three dot icon that is showing right here. Okay, go back to this three dot icon right here, this particular one here. Okay, so go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, simply scroll down. Okay, and now once you're here, what you need to do is to click on this desktop site. Okay, so check this box, click on this desktop site so we can change it to desktop. Okay, so go ahead and tick the desktop and wait for it to load. So once it loads, guys, alright, good. So once it loads, guys, here's what we can do. Alright, simply also just zoom. Let me zoom it this way. Okay, so once you zoom it this way, go ahead and click on this place that says store. Alright, this particular place that says store, this place that says store. Okay, so go ahead and click on this store. Okay, good. So once you click on this store, for those of you that have are using the system, you can go ahead and just click on this system. Okay, you can click on this download right here. Let me quickly mark it. Okay, so you click on this download right here, and once you click on the download, it will download the system version for you, and then you can go ahead and just use it. But for those of us that don't have a PC, or that's not using a PC, we are using a phone. Okay, what we can simply do is to use the extension. Okay, and how do we get the extension? We can get the extension by clicking on this particular place. Okay, so you go ahead and click on this particular place right here that says Chrome. Okay, so guys, after you must have clicked on the Chrome, it should bring you to a page like this. And after you find yourself in this page, what you need to do next is to click on this add to Chrome. Okay, let me zoom it a bit. Let me see if I can zoom it a bit. Okay, alright, you see this particular place that says add to Chrome, so you just simply need to click on it for we to add the Chrome extension. Okay, this is it right here. So you click on add to Chrome and wait for it to load, and once it shows up this way, click on OK. After clicking on OK, we just need to wait for it to connect. Alright, so can you see it has been added? That is why it is showing us remove from Chrome. Okay, so after doing this, now what you need to do is to go to this particular place. Alright, go to this symbol, this particular symbol on your Mrs. browser, click on it and look for the grass like node. Alright, so once you click on it right here, if you can see, it has added the extension to our Mrs. browser. Then we can go ahead and now use it. Can you see grass like node? So locate this grass like node and then click on it. Alright, good. So after it open up this way, we need to re-log in again so we can now connect the grass for it to start working on our phone. Okay, so after doing this, now you just simply need to click on login. So once you click on login and it loads up this way, you just come to this particular place, you click on username. So I've saved my password, I just have to go ahead and click on it, and once I click on it, I click on access my account, and then it brings me to this particular page that is going to load up right now. Alright guys, so here is it. Okay, so what we need to do now is to click on connect. So you just click on connect. So after clicking on connect, you just have to give it some time. Okay, alright guys, so after you click on the connect and it's still showing you this, alright, don't panic, don't worry. Here's simply what you need to do. Okay, what you need to do now is to go back again, for the second time to this particular icon. Okay, so go back to the icon and click on it. Alright, so first of all, what you need to do is to change back for remember we put it on desktop. Okay, so as you can see here, I've removed mine from the desktop. Alright, so go ahead and remove yours as well from this desktop, so it will uncheck and remove it from the desktop site. Alright, so after you do that, now what you need to do next is to come over to this particular place Okay, find this particular icon and click on it again for the second time. Alright, so after clicking on it, then select grass like node. Alright, so select the grass like node, and once you select it, you can see right here it's trying to connect us to the grass. Okay, so just give it some time to load up. So I'm going to pause this video, and once I'm connected, I will come back and show you guys what to do next. Alright guys, so we are back to the video, and as you can see right here, it says grass is connected. Alright, so just watch closely here. You can see it said grass is connected, so I've been able to connect my grass. So what you need to do is just to simply give it some time. That is, if your network is not that good, you should have some little delay. Alright, but if your network is very strong, it should connect very fast. Alright, so after doing that, here is where you can find your referral link. Okay, simply get your referral link from this particular place. You click on it, and then you can share your referral link. And another thing you can do is to locate the dashboard in order for you to do some other tasks. Okay, so to locate the dashboard, you also click on this particular place that says desktop dashboard. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on it. Let's give it some time. Alright guys, so in order for you to see your tags, what you can do is to simply go back to this particular place, click on that three dot icon, come down and mark the desktop site. Alright, so yours will be looking like this. So once it's like this, here is where to find your tags. You can check for some tags that you can do. Okay, so if you click on this particular place now, you click on this place, you can see reward. You click on this place, you can see referral programs that you can do to earn more points. All right, so just do this, and then you check in every day. Click on these two places, check if there are tags, do the tags, and keep accumulating more grass points. Okay, so that'll be all for this video guys. Please do well to help me like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video to your friends so they can also do the same thing and get yourself ready for the season 2 of the grass airdrop. So that'll be all for this video, right? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, liking and subscribing is free. If you find value from this video, do help me like and subscribe. So that'll be all for this video, and I'll be dropping another video to show you guys how to connect your wallet. Okay, so that will be on a separate video because I don't want to make this video so long. Alright guys, thanks for watching.